Mathematics 2 chapter integration. Tutorial question 57H. Now, how to integrate x cubed multiplied by ex? Yes, you can use IBP method. However, today I'm going to introduce you a shorter version of IBP where we call it as a tabular method. Now, when you're going to use or when can you use tabular method? When you can choose a term and that term, once you perform a differentiation, it will reduce to 0. Then you can perform a tabular method. Now, remember, you have two terms. One is x cubed, one is exponential to the power of x. Try to create a table. The first column will be the differentiation column. The second one will be the integration column. Now, how does it work? It's very simple and very fast in terms of getting the solution. Choose your differentiation term where you differentiate, it reduces to 0. If you notice exponential x, if you differentiate multiple times, it will never reduce to 0. It will always be ex, and ex. So it's not a suitable approach to be selected as a differentiation column. Hence, I'm going to choose x cubed. Why? Because if I differentiate it once and again, you can see it will be reduced to 0. Start with x cubed, differentiate, become 3x squared. Next, 6x. Next will be 0. And last but not least, differentiate a constant 6 will give you 0. This is what I'm talking about. Choose a differentiation term which at the end reduce to 0 after performing a differentiation. If we choose x cubed as differentiation column, the integration column will be your ex. Now integrate ex to always give you ex, and ex. Now you will stop parallel to your differentiation. Now, how are we going to write the solution? Yes, it's very simple. I'm going to use different color. You're going to multiply a diagonal arrangement until you obtain the last diagonal terms. Then you stop. How about the operation? It's always start with positive, negative, positive, and negative. Hence, the solution for this integration will be x cubed multiplied by ex. It's going to be positive, hence you don't have to put plus here, we know already. Next one will be 3x squared multiplied by ex. But the operation here will be negative. And again, positive 6x multiplied by ex. Last but not least, 6 multiplied by ex, don't forget the negative sign. Since this is indefinite integral, you have to put plus c at the end. This is how you use a tabular method to solve x cubed e to the power of x. That's all.